boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's best-selling author Mickey D. I host The Scoop. I have just toured GrowGeneration in Las Vegas. Spoke with management. GrowGeneration is one of those companies, excuse me if I put my glasses on because it's kind of, well, they're really, really busy. There's a lot going on. This is where the pros come. The pro growers. That's what I'm talking about. And you guys know their stock lately, they're over $20, aren't they? I mean, they've gone from maybe 10 stores. They're up to like 32, 33 stores right now, guys. And GrowGeneration is just one of those companies that really, really is exploding. I mean, they're on top of it, guys. And several years ago, when we used to talk about GrowGeneration, when they were $2, $3, $4 or so, they are a company to be reckoned with now. As you guys know, we're just right now in the midst of the greatest cannabis legislative opportunity, my friends. The greatest legislative time now. What has happened in America that has really kick-started this whole thing right now is really, really amazing. All our cannabis stocks, including GrowGeneration, I promise you guys I would be touring and I would see what boots on the ground. I would see exactly what was going on, and that place is amazing, my friends. No, I'm not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not a financial advisor. We don't give you financial advice, but I can tell you, for the long haul, the pros go to GrowGeneration, and GrowGeneration is one of those companies that is growing, and growing. This company may be one of those ones you want to keep your eye on and keep on your watch list, my friends. As today, all our companies exploded, and it's just, that's the way it is right now with all these companies. But this is where the pros grow, my friends. GrowGeneration. And just a quick message here, as I know things are exploding, and we're, like I said, we're boots on the ground. We don't chase them, we replace them, right? And right now, as we look at some of these companies that have gone too far, too fast, my friends, let's take a look at what's going to be going on in Mexico here within the next 60 days. In less than 60 days, Mexico will be doing its thing. So those stocks have not exploded like GrowGeneration has. Some of those stocks were still on little ground floor. So let's take advantage of that, my friends, and let's take a look at what's going on in Mexico, and we will see. Once again, not an author. I'm an author, my friends, not a money manager or anything. Books can be found on Amazon.com. You can get the audiobook, the paperback book, or the ebook. You can get all the marijuana books, my friends. Just a message for you today from GrowGeneration. This place is alive and well, and management is on top of it, and they're expanding. And this is a company that you really, really need to consider for your portfolio. God bless you. Have a great day.